In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color on your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to overhaul your entire site or just tweak the color of specific sections, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the process so you can customize your store's look and feel to better reflect your brand's personality. To start off, let's look at how you can change the background color of your entire site. First, you'll need to access your theme editor. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, find Online Store in the menu, and click on Themes. From there, locate your active theme and click on Customize. This will open up the theme editor, which gives you a lot of flexibility and control over your store's aesthetic. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll want to locate the theme settings, which is usually found on the left-hand side. Within these settings, search specifically for the Colors section. Here, you'll find options to adjust the background color for various elements of your site, such as the overall body, header, footer, and more. Dive into these settings and select the colors that match your brand's style. And remember, after making your adjustments, ensure to save your changes. It's a simple click, but crucial to keep those colors in place. Now, if you're focusing on changing the background for specific sections rather than the whole site, a similar approach is taken, but with a few slight variations. Begin by accessing the theme editor through the same path as before. Shopify admin panel, online store, themes, then customize. Once you're in, you need to pinpoint the specific section you wish to change. This could be a section on your homepage or any other page. Within the editor, click on the section you want to modify. Here, most themes allow you to alter the background color. You might do this by picking a color from a palette or entering a specific hex code that represents your desired color. Again, don't forget to save your changes. It's always good practice to preview the difference to ensure it aligns with your vision. Finally, for those wanting to make changes to background colors on product pages or other specific pages, you may need to get a bit more technical. This often involves editing the theme's code, especially for changes that aren't available in the standard customization options. To start, go to Online Store, find your theme, and this time click on Actions and then Edit Code. Here, you're looking to locate the relevant CSS file, typically found in the Assets folder, or a specific liquid file for the page you're working on. Within that code, you'll need to add or modify CSS by using the background color property, followed by your desired color value. For instance, you could use a straightforward hex code like #F0 for a light gray tone. Once you've made your changes, be sure to save them to see the updates reflect on your site. I hope this helps you navigate through Shopify's theme customization to achieve the visual style you're aiming for. Feel free to experiment with colors until you find the perfect match for your brand.